Here we're at Flumbob Airport. This is a, looks like a private airport. They opened it up and let these guys drag race down the airstrip. Super cool. Everybody's here with everything that's like pretty much period correct from 1950 and down. Most of the cars that I seen race today were all 30s. They were all 30s. I don't think I seen anything over 34 today, which was really cool. Everybody's running flat heads. A couple guys got blowers. The camaraderie and the people that are here are just so cool. Like, everybody's such cool people and very giving. They're all a bunch of old race. They love this old race car stuff. Like, this is how they did it back in the old days, you know? And the era of the car and the parts and the pieces that put these cars together are all period correct for the year. So even if you have a 34 Ford, it doesn't mean you can run a big block Chevy in it with a blower on it. They won't allow that here. It's got to be period correct for the era, which is really cool. I mean, the rules are kind of what keeps it cool and keeps it old school. And guys are out here with 4-cylinder flatheads, V8 flatheads. There's a couple of Hemi cars out here. So it's been a ton of fun. Oh yeah, yeah. All right, listen, this is one of my Pomona swap meet chums. We hang out at Pomona swap meet all the time, right?
Right.
He's probably there more than I am. But he was telling me about this 32, and it's got a really good race history. This car was raced here in Southern California for what? How many years?
About 4 or 5 years. Balboa Stadium, California, in San Diego when they had it.
And it was a roundy-round car. So you can see every panel on this thing has been whacked, hit, rolled over. He straightened the car back out and it was gonna go, where was it going when you got it?
Wisconsin. And the guy refused to pay for shipping because he was too cheap. It was on a piece of plywood with caster wheels. So, and I walked away from the car 2 times because it was so bad. And then I said, you know what, piss on it, I'm gonna give it a shot.
So the car was in really rough shape when he got it. But anything 32, if it's in a wadded up ball. This is the second story too I've heard today. There's some kids over here that dug that 32 out.
That taco.
And they call it the taco because it was literally folded up like a taco. So how many of these cars do you think have been like scrapped over the years?
Hundreds, thousands.
And so to save one right now and actually put it back to life, this is really awesome. And that's what we're doing now. We're out here because these guys, we all love this stuff. This is one of my favorite eras of time right now.
Yeah, I was born in the wrong, in the wrong era for sure.
But it's so cool to see everybody bring it back. But 32 Ford, it's got a 292 Hemi. What's
no, DeSoto, 276.
276.
DeSoto, 39 box. So it's just an old school hot rod.
Yeah, so it's kind of cool.
And a bucket of fun.
Oh yeah, I mean it's a race car. Like, it's just pull up and race. This has been such a cool event. There is so many badass old cars here. I love it because it's traditional and it keeps it cheap because you got a bunch of flatheads out here. There's a few Hemis out here. You know, a lot of these cars, they probably don't make over 300 horsepower, but a couple of these cars are flying through here today. That cool looking 3-window Ford that just pulled out of here, it has a blown Hemi in it and it runs pretty good. But it surprised you some of the things out here that run a lot faster than I thought with a flathead in it. So the people are super cool, very humble. Everybody here is probably a builder. A lot of them build their own cars, but this airport and the setting of the mountains, I feel bad for these people in the houses over there. But other than that, man, this is so cool. It's been a great event. I wanted to come out and really just take a good look at it. This is the first year here. So what I'm planning on doing is bringing out a bunch of stuff next year, enter the races, stay for 3 days, and really live it up. This was just a quick run for me. I just wanted to see what it was all about. But I love the people. I love this tradition. I love this era of cars. And this is where I belong.